To set up Gemini Assistant for Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, first of all, we'll need to open Galaxy Wearable app on the smartphone device currently connected with our smartwatch. Move to the watch settings right here and scroll down to the Google. Right here, go for Digital Assistant. Now, if you click on it, then it will connect with your Google account. This may take a few moments. When it's done, you will see a screen like this. So there's introduction, how to actually call out your digital assistant. It's this button right here. All you have to do is press it for a few seconds and then you can speak to use your Gemini support. Now, assistant, sorry. Now we can move to the next step and you can go hands-free with Hey Google. So if you say Hey Google and set up your voice recognition, then you will call out your Google Assistant, or in this case Gemini, and you'll be able to use it. Teach Google to recognize your voice, that's what I mean. I'm gonna actually skip it. And our digital assistant is basically set up. You can then go for, say, Hey Google to customize your voice. So that is everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.